Hack the Quiz presents Travel Hacks. If you like an item in this video, find it in the comments below. Your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Hackers, let's go. What's the best way to save space when packing clothes for a trip? It is B. Rolling your clothes saves space, allowing you to fit more items in your luggage. What's the best day of the week to book the cheapest flights? It is B. Book on Tuesday for the best deals. Which of these items can help prevent toiletries from spilling in your bag? It is option A. Plastic wrap stops leaks. What's the best way to avoid jet lag? It is A. Gradually go to bed earlier a few days before your flight to help your body adjust to the new time zone. What's a clever hack for finding free Wi-Fi while traveling? It is C. Combine apps and cafes to stay connected. Which seat minimizes jet lag on long flights? It is A. Window seats help you sleep better. What's the best app for navigating a new city without Wi-Fi? It is C. Google Maps lets you download maps in advance, so you can navigate offline with ease. What's the best way to ensure you don't lose your luggage? It is C. GPS trackers locate your bags anywhere. How can you save on meals while traveling? The answer is A. Eating at food markets is an affordable way to enjoy authentic local dishes without breaking the bank. What's a quick way to save on public transportation costs? It is B. City passes save money with unlimited rides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next hack.